Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Pereznieto and I want to show you how with shading you can give life and volume to your drawings. Here we have a line drawing, which I am wrapping up by adding her wings. Both elements in this drawing, the fairy and the hand, look totally flat, because it is just an outline. Okay, and now comes the exciting part. Let's add shading to the drawing, trying to make it so that it looks three-dimensional, or at least with some volume, like it is coming off the paper. We begin this by giving a tone to the pencil. It is important that it has shading. What I mean is that one side is darker than the other one, and also that it is projecting a cast shadow on the surface. So we do this cast shadow of the hand and of course of the pencil. For now I'm doing it pretty light, but I may darken it a bit more as needed after shading the hand. Very good. Now let's shade the fingers. Starting with the pinky. I'm using carbon pencils, which are made with a mixture of graphite and charcoal, so they deliver really black blacks. For the line sketch though, I used a mechanical pencil with graphite leads, of course. The list of materials is in the information below the video. You can perform the shading in many ways. I'm doing it more or less with parallel lines, trying to follow the shape that I am drawing. If the surface is flat, I pretty much make straight lines. And if it is curving, I try to follow the shape. Here we add some wrinkles, as the skin folds. I am considering the light source to be toward the top right, and therefore all the surfaces that are toward the lower left will be the darkest, and also the cast shadow will be projected toward the left and low. Let's give a light tone to this area, and then reinforce the darks a little bit, here on the edge, to the part where the wrist and the forearm turn away from the light. I started shading lightly, and then I come back and reinforce some areas. If in some places I went way too dark, what I can do is pick up some of the carbon, dabbing with the kneaded eraser. And it's ready. Please let me know what do you think about it. And if you enjoyed it, please give it a like, share it to your friends and subscribe to find our tips. And I will see you on Tuesday.